Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Hours, and I'm really excited today to be showing you guys how you can create an ebook and start selling straight away using all the tools at your disposal. And also the great thing about this is actually free, so don't take much time at all. All you need is some basic word processing software, and you can start your own ebook straight away. So let's not do any longer, let's jump into it and let's have a look. So I've created the ebook, The Ultimate Product Review Guide by Mr. Yoo-hoo, as you can see it here. Now, if you can look here, so this is the guide here. Now, I'm selling this at the moment for, on here, $13.99. This is through Kobo, but it's also available across many different publishers, which I'll show you shortly. The idea being is I created this ebook by using my pages on my MacBook, use ChatGPT to kind of help me assistant write it as well, and then publish this draft to digital. So I'm going to take you through this process at the moment. And guys, if you like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button for more ways to be able to earn money. So let's go and have a look. So I created this ebook through Pages on Microsoft MacBook. Now you can create it yourself through Windows Word if you want. You can see it just here. So what I did is I created this content through, I wrote most of it myself, but also used ChatGPT to create some prompts for me. So you can see it there. Now basically I wanted to create something that would give a bit of information to people about what to look for in products, but also use my experience on my channel, Mr. Yoo-hoo, to help guide people. So I created this through doing that. Now, as you can see, you need to have a certain number of things you need to do format-wise before you can do it. So very quickly, I created this ebook. It's around, from memory, about 21 pages. And then I went to something called Draft to Digital. So Draft to Digital just here basically is a free publishing platform that you can publish your book to, and then it sends it out to a heap of different publishers. So if we go down here, you've got Hoopla, Tolino, Vivilo, Smashwords. So essentially I've published this ebook across to them. Now, if they sell it, I get commissions from it. So, which is really, really exciting. So let's have a look there. For example, like they've done it through Apple Books, for example. Apple Books, you can buy it just there. There's a listing. Actually, let's go back a step and type in the heading and press enter and show you guys where it's appearing. So there's the Apple Books, an Everend, Strikingly, we go down. So all these people are listing the book through them there. So Smashwords, let's just jump on that and have a look as an example. The thing I love about this is you've got access now to be able to publish your own work and appear across publishers right across the world. And you make money when they sell it. There's no having to create the books yourself. It's all done through the ebooks. And it's very, very effective to be able to do it. So as you can see, Draft to Digital does it. Now, you need to kind of mess around sometimes with the actual parameters through the ebook. So if we go there and have a look. So you can also do a print book as well. Now, print book actually works. You have to do certain things to make it a print book, which I didn't do with the ebook. You can also do an audiobook here as well. So all these things allow you to be able to create content. Now, I'll be creating more books in future. I've made quite a lot of sales from this book already, but I'm also about to do a book called Be the Cat, Not the Rat, a book about how we can break out of the rat race and start to sell it through here. So it's very, very exciting. You can also do ebooks as well if you want to do as an accompaniment to like what you do, like with Freedom Hours. I'm creating one as well. But you can see just there, it creates it all for you. So the process didn't take long. And, you know, you can change the price too. So you can change the price just there. You can go and edit the book as well if you want. So if we go to here, have a look. So here's kind of the details that gives you an idea. So you can change the description, the ebook description, all that kind of stuff as well. So you can do it all there. But just to show you guys what happens with print book. So if we go to print book here and go start your print book, just show you guys what you have to do. So essentially it goes through it all for you. So you can do, you can edit the meta cover, create a cover yourself, create the title, all these things you can then do, which helps you be able to create the book. So guys, if you want me to sit there and show you guys step by step how I actually create an ebook, I'm happy to do it. Just put a message online or like and comment and say, Andy, show me how to create an ebook. But this is the ebook that you can create yourself. So as it is, it's just there. If we go to viewer. Now I also created I'll show you guys. I created a contents page through Canva. So I created that Canva page too. And I also linked towards it with my descriptions for Mr. Yoo-hoo. So if you go in the description below, you can see where I actually created so I actually linked to my YouTube channel. So I'll go down and show you guys. So you can see lots of good content there, formatted well. it did take me a while to do this book. It was my first time doing it, but it'll be quicker in the future. There are software programs you can use as well. You can see how I talk about, the channel we have, about Mr. Yoo-Hoo, so people can also use us as well. So it's a good marketing angle as well for your business. So guys, I hope you liked there about how we created the ebook. As you can see, you can create it using basic word processing and then upload it to a software provider. For example, I used Drafter Digital, and then they then promote that book across the network. You appear on Google, you appear on the publishing platforms, and it's really great to see. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. If you want more videos like this to help you make money, but this is a perfect way to create an ebook and start making money just now. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, and thanks for joining us here